how to customize address format in Zoho Invoice. So first, go to your Zoho books. Next is just click on the gear icon here at the top right. And then you can just search for preferences. Okay. Now here, once you see the preferences here, you can just click on general here. Now scroll down all the way down and you can see the insert placeholders here, or the organization address format. Now here you can just start inserting other placeholders here to change the address format. So let's say I want to add a zip or postal code here. Oh wait, we already have one. So let's say let's add a street address one. And there you go. Okay, now if you want to preview it, you can just click on preview here and you will see what it looks like. Something like this. Okay, so once you're done, you can just click on save and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.